Good morning students, welcome to Priya Math channel. Today we are going to discuss the public examination model, important problems we have to discuss. All of you look into the board. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. This problem is page number 140, 7th problem. We have to observe it. So first you have to find the 31st term an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Then you have to write the first a general formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The which term he gave? 11th term. So a11 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 into d or equal to 38. Right here. Again a plus 11 minus 1 10d equal to 38. Say this equation number 1. Again he gave which term? A 16th. 16th is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d or equal to how much? 73. So don't write is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 15d equal to 73. Call this equation number 2. Okay students. So the first equation and second equation you have to solve. You will get a and d values. I am writing it the second equation first. A plus 15d equal to 73. Why I am writing this is the highest value, so this is the lowest value. That's why I am writing it like this. A plus 10d equal to how much? 38. We have to subtract it. So it will change minus, minus, minus. A cancel. 15 minus 10d means 5d. That is equal to 35. D is equal to 35 by 5. Don't cancel 5, 5. 5 will be cancelled 7 times. 7 5s are 35. Therefore, D equal to 7. Then you have to substitute the D value. You have to take any equation. So, A plus 30, 10D are equal to 38. A plus 10 of D means how much? 7 is equal to 38. A plus 7 tens are 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. A is equal to 38 minus 70. So A is equal to, you will get 70 minus 32. And then 70 for example you have to take like this. Don't misunderstand. Here 2, 6 bar 2. Here 6, 32. That is equal to minus 32. How much you got? A is equal to 32 and D is equal to 7. Then you will be find 31st term. Then again you have write A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We need A 31st term. A 31 is equal to A means how much? Minus 32 plus n and 31 minus 1 into D 7. So that is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7. So that is equal to minus 32 plus 370 sir 21. So 220. 221, 210 lo nunchi minus 32 will be subtract. 871. That is equal to 178. The A31 is equal to 178. Okay students, you have to take same problems in the textbook, you have to practice it. Okay students, next page number 140, problem number 8. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP, this AP is 0. ఇక్కడ ఏ టర్మ్ జీరోకి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది, which term are equal to 0. So you have to find the n, which term are equal to 0. He gave third term are equal to 4 and the ninth term are equal to minus 8. You have to identify it first. Then you have to write the formula. An is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. So first third term a3, that is equal to a plus, we have to calculate it, don't write again and again. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 into d, 2d, that's are equal to 4. Say this equation number 1. Next, which one? This one? Ninth term are equal to minus 8. A9 is equal to how much? A plus 9 minus 1, 8d are equal to, 8d are equal to how much? Minus 8. Say this equation number 2. Then you have to solve these two equations. A plus 8d equal to 4, minus 8, sorry. A plus 4d equal to 2d, 2d equal to 4. Subtract. Minus 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 will be cancelled. 8 minus 2, 6d equal to minus 12. D equal to minus 12 by 6. 6 will be cancelled 2 times. D equal to 2. Which 2? Minus 2. Then you have to substitute the d value in any equation. Equation 1. A plus 2d equal to 4. A plus 2 of d means how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 4. A 2 2's are 4, minus 4 equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Take minus 4, right side becomes plus 4. A is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8 and D is equal to minus 2. Which term goes to 0 term? So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula. Which term goes to 0 means an is equal to 0. A means 8 plus n minus 1 into d means minus 2. So take right side, it minus, left side minus 8 minus n minus 1 into minus 2. So minus 8 by, take this side, it becomes division, minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus plus 2 will be cancelled 4 times. Minus 1 take left side become plus 1, that is equal to n. So n is equal to 4 plus 1, n is equal to 5. So fifth term or goes to 0. అంటే ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ అనేది 0 అవుతుంది. సో స్టూడెంట్స్, which term goes to 0 means 0 means which term of the AP is the 0 means fifth term is the 0. So students, we have to practice like this model. Next model, very important problem we have to discuss.